Today, I would like to illustrate how we can use fractals to determine the longer term trend. We can use it for day trading. Okay, we do that every day, but now on a long-term time frame. Okay, looking at the weekly micro, we've been watching this particular fractal. Originally, it was a semi-quasi 7 up, okay, but then appeared a decaying fractal right here, okay. How many times have we seen that on every market, every time frame? Okay, we have a good confirmation here, right? You can short anywhere around here, around 53. That would be the stop. That's the top of the fractal. Bottom of the fractal, 148 here. Okay, that would be a good target. Below that, we'll go lower. Okay. Again, a almost perfect decaying fractal there. You have that long leg, a bump, the turn down. Okay. Um, to take action, you have to wait for the clear fractal to appear. Okay. Now, that would be on the weekly time frame. Right. It's really helpful if we can have another time frame to confirm the weekly. Uh, Take a look at the monthly. Now, well, before I do that, let's go back here for a moment. Back in October, we called the bottom here. Okay. The fractal bottom appeared on another time frame. Regardless, bottom was at October. Okay. And now we have a decaying fractal top. This is a top. Hence, here's the beginning of the trend. The market is growing, and then it stops here. Why did it stop there? Well, we'll have to look at another time frame, another fractal. Okay. It's the reason why you have to swing from time frame to time frame, from the micro to the macro. Right? All right. Bottom, top. Now, what we're going to do, we'll look at the monthly. And what do we have here? What do we have here? Look at that. Now that's the fractal from the weekly time frame. Okay. But we're looking at the monthly. What do we have on the monthly? Let me get rid of all of this here. Can you tell me what we have here on a monthly? Come on. The top, the bottom. Okay. And then we have the slider. All right. Going out throughout the year. That began in October and we went into March. Um, that's about 5 months. Okay. So if you're looking for 5 months, okay, we're going out into the summertime, possibly longer. Okay, we have another good confirmation, and generally the slider will go to a target around here, around 4,200. So we have 4,500 target on a weekly time frame, and 42.85 on a monthly time frame. Okay, so going out into uh, spring, summer, we can expect somewhere around here. Okay, so the monthly time frame is coinciding and aligning with the weekly time frame. Again, we're looking at the golden fractal there. We have a leg, you have the slide, you have the leg, and then we're rolling over. Right. Again, you can apply the fractal here on any time frame, on any market. Okay, all you have to do, you have to wait patiently until you get that uh, clear picture. So again, that's monthly. It's pointing down. Okay, and then if we go to the weekly, right here, we have your nested growth fractal right here. Okay, right there. So we're looking at a target of around 4,800 there, and going out into spring, summer, we're looking at 42 here. So we're looking here, breaking that, breaking that. Okay, the big picture. The weekly decaying fractal coincides with the monthly decaying fractal. We have two decaying fractals on two different time frames long term. That will give you the direction of the market. Very bearish, not pretty, okay? But now we have a good roadmap for what we can expect the market to do. Okay? Now, in the meantime, we don't know what will happen here, or what will happen here, or what will happen here. The fractals only point to the turns. Okay? Of course, we'll have rallies, all right? But we can identify the rallies too, which we do every day. Go to Neil's channel, and he'll point the fractals out to you. Whatever you find on the 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute time frames, okay, you can apply to the longer time frames. Okay, so again, the market doesn't go in a straight line. There'll be opportunities for, a swing up, maybe swing down, swing up, down, and so forth. Okay. We're at a pretty important turning point here. I would not want to be in stocks right now. Oh, a mention on Donald Trump. We did identify the top there, and that went straight down, right? And why don't we take a look at the 10-year yields? I've mentioned this so many times. Look what's happening. Okay, you have a growth fractal here, and it's growing. 4.52. The target, I believe, is going to be above 5%. So what's going to happen as the yields keep rising, the market is going to keep falling. Okay, there's a correlation there. Okay? The key is to find a decaying fractal and a growth fractal. And you have to wait again until they completely develop, and then it becomes tradable. Right? put the treasury on the microgrid here. For Sunday, not sure yet. Brief look here. Oh, here we go. We have a 7 down there, okay? Um, Now, if you're a day trader, okay, um, that's the bottom, that's the top. Almost equal like it's down, okay? 7 down. You can find the 7 down on a yearly chart, 8-hour chart, etc. Right? All you have to do, look for the decaying and growth fractals. Now, if it doesn't go up, right, it'll fall down, reverse, and that would be a growth fractal reversal found. A quick look at the other time frames. Um, Not too clear here. Not too clear there. We don't have anything there. Uh, no. Well, no. We have basically straight lines, so we can kind of ignore that. Thank you, Nikki. Signing off.